Hey guys, welcome to Quick Tech Take. Today I'm doing an unboxing of a drone, HolyStone HS210. Well, I got this drone about a month or two ago. I haven't had the chance to do an unboxing or a review. It says, thanks to you, this product now has a second life. We appreciate it. I got this drone because I'm a first-time drone user, so I didn't want to get something a bit more expensive and crash it. So for me, this is my first time using a drone, so I tried to get something inexpensive that I could crash. So let's rip it open and see what's in the box. There's nothing left inside. A lot of plastics. I believe these are spare propellers. And this is the drone itself. It's really small, and this should be the LiPo charger for these 3 tiny batteries. I believe each battery is let me check, 220. Hope if I can get this to focus. 220 milliamp hours. This seems to be the controller with an on-off switch at the bottom. 2 joysticks. I believe this is to take off and land the drone, probably some positioning of some kind. Do a flip. 360 flip, maybe this is a timer, I don't know. I believe the batteries go in here. Quickly, why would they put a screw on the battery cover? I've never seen that before. Let's quickly get this open. Okay, see what batteries use. Okay, suppose 3 AAA batteries. So I don't think I'll be putting that screw back in there. It's just needless. Just except this cover doesn't stay on. It seems like it's gonna stay on, so I'm just gonna leave that way. Here's some product information from a manual on how to use and operate. I think this is a cautions of battery. Let's go back to the drone. So this is a drone. It's really tiny, it's small. I believe this battery should fit in here, as you can see. It's a pretty small drone. That should be the main board right in there with the 4 propellers. This is just an unboxing. I'm gonna do a testing later. Here's each of the battery. Let's tear it open and get a closer look. Right here it says 220 milliamp hours, as I said earlier. So this is the charger. I've seen a setup video previously, so I'm just gonna skip right to it. So this charger can actually charge 2 batteries at the same time. Before I drop that. So battery 1. And this is battery 2. So we get a power bank and connect it and see what happens. Oh, I think it's charging. Hopefully, I believe when this red light on screen means the batteries are fully charged. So I'm just gonna set this aside while they charge. And that's what we have in this other little bag. Okay, this is a set of replacement propellers, and I believe this stuff is used to remove them. So that's it, folks. That's the unboxing of the HolyStone HS210. It actually comes with a screwdriver, a tiny Phillips screwdriver. So that's it, guys. So I'm probably gonna set this up once the batteries are done charging. I will actually set it up and do a little flight test and get accustomed to flying drones, and then we'll see how that goes from there. Thanks for watching, and just please share, like and subscribe to Quick Tech Take. Have a good one.